you want to show that it's a multiple of something, okay, make sure you can factorize that constant out. Okay, this also shows that it is a multiple of 7. Okay, dealing with numbers easy. There's no way you can key in, by the way, in the calculator because it's too big already. Okay, there's another one. 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 to the power of 2x plus 3.
Wait, why is it too big?
2 to the power of 14. I think still can. Still can, right? How about 2 to the power of 140? Cannot. Usually, your test question, right? The number will be
10 to the power of 42.
Your calculator can. Some calculator cannot. Okay. So what I want to tell you is that when you see this and this one, right? When you see this and this one, right? 2 power 2x is here minus. Remember 2 to the power of 2x plus 3. Plus 3. When you see plus as the power, you must think of. Okay, I can remember what I said. Multiply 2 to the power of 3. Yes, correct. Okay, because 2 to the power of 2x plus 3 is the same as 2 to the power of 2x times 2 to the power of 3. They are the same. Okay, you write this down, then you can factorize. Can you see these are the same? Then you can factorize out. 2 to the power of 2x bracket 1 minus 2 to the power of 3. Okay, that will be 2 to the power of 2x multiplied by -7. Okay, whenever you see indices plus or indices minus, there's only one way to doing it, which is called factorizing the indices out.
1 minus 2.
We factorize out 2x from this guy, doesn't left with 1. These two, they are underlined, they are same, right? Factorize out. 2 power 2x factorize out, left with 1, not 0.
1 minus 1.
1 times 2 power 3, isn't it 2 power 3?
Oh.
Okay, and actually that is the gist of today. We are going to do a little, because you need to know about this. Okay, Janessa done?
Yeah.
Chengen, done, say okay. All right. Okay, and that is the gist of today. Today we are going to do two kind of things: forming quadratic equation, as well as simultaneous equation with indices questions. Okay. Type 1. Mr. Ivan always tell you, we try not to do indices, right, with a non-prime base. Okay, so 25, right, is the same as 5 to the power of 2, but I'll bracket here x plus 1 plus 5 equals to 126, 5 to the power of x. Okay, if you are fast, right, and then you can see after a while, you will know that this guy is called 5 to the power of 2x plus 2. Yes, bring it over. 126, 5 to the power of x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, 5 to the power of 2x plus 2. Mr. Ivan just now also say, when you see the power plus, Sarah, you must think of what? Times. Very good. So this is called 5 to the power of 2x multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 minus 126. Bracket 5 to the power of x, then plus 5, then equals to 0. Okay, whenever you see 3 terms, those of you who be long enough, you all know, must know 3 terms confirm come out is what? Quadratic already. Okay, let A be equals to 5 to the power of x. If A is equals to 5 to the power of x, Janessa, 5 to the power of 2x is what? 2a or a squared?
A square.
A square. So this is 25a square, because 5 squared, this is 25, yeah, minus 126a, because this guy is a, plus 5 equals to 0. There you go, quadratic equation. Then quadratic equation solver. Take your calculator, quadratic equation solver. Okay, yes, Raiden, please tell me what is in the 2 brackets equals to. Okay, can understand how I get from here to here or not? First, You always let, can you see this is 5 to the power 2x and this is 5 to the power x? We always let the smaller one to be a lah. So 5 to the power x is a, which means 5 power 2x is called a squared. It's not 2a, it's a squared. All right. 5 squared over here is 25. That's how I form the quadratic equation. Yes, Raiden.
A is x minus 5.
A minus 5.
Oh, yeah,
25.
5
Okay. Okay, so which means that a is equals to 5 or a is equals to 1 over 25. Answer. Is that answer? Seems like it, right? No, we remember we replace a by 5. We replace a by 5 power x. If 5 to the power x is equals to 5. Okay, then 5 to the power y is still equals to 5. Very good. X equals to 5 to the power x equals to 1 over 25. Sarah, 25 is 5 power what? 25 is 5 power 2. 1 over 25 is 5 power negative 2. Because 25 is 5 power 2. So 1 over 25 is 1 over means reciprocal 5 power negative 2. Okay, Janessa, you understand about this part because you haven't really done indices in school yet, or done already? Haven't,
No,
right?
I haven't done.
But you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then x equals to negative 2. Okay, and I know you're doing simultaneous inequality in school. Okay, we will not be this one will not be covered in class, but the video will be sent. I will send you the link to the video next week if you need. It's actually quite an easy topic. Yeah, it's actually quite an easy topic. Okay, so this is how we do simultaneous equation involving indices. Okay, and this is a skill you will need from now on up to JC, up to A levels you will need. Okay. Yeah, is there a better way to do it? No, like this is the shortest way. Like, if there's a shorter way to do it, I will teach you. Just that's why I tell you to bring. If you have graphic calculator, then I'll teach you how to use the graphic calculator in pattern.
Isn't that the big one?
Yeah, that's the big one. Most of you are using it in year after Sec 4. Yeah, but his school, Sec 3, they use it already, which I feel is actually quite good. Okay. Next. 3 to the power x plus 2. So see, when you do see 3 to the power x plus 2, right, immediately split. Raiden, 3 to the power x plus 2, Mr. Ivan said you think of what? Multiply by 3 to the power 2. If you think you up there already, right? Multiply by 9 also can. Okay, but the hard one is right, 3 to the power negative x. Janessa, can you tell me what is 3 to the power negative x equals to? Think of
1
x.
over 3.
Yes, 1 over 3 to the power x. Can you understand that? 3 to the power negative x is equals to 1 over 3 to the power x. You know why it become 1 over? Because of the negative power. Negative power always means reciprocal. Numerator go denominator. This is 3 over 1. Oh, flip.
It's not a whole fraction.
No. No. It's in a way it is, but 1 to the power negative anything is still 1. Equals 6. Okay? Can? For this kind, so this kind, right? Immediately we let A. This one I think is the same as just now that one. 3A minus 2A plus 1. Yeah. No, 3A plus 1. Yeah, it is. You're right. if 3 to the power of x is equals to 1/3, okay, then what do you think x is? What is the thing you learned today that can make the 3 go to the denominator? So x is equals to? Vanessa, do you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, if you cannot see, right, then you write this as 1/3 is the same as 3 power negative 1. Then you can see that the power are the same. Understand? Okay. Okay. The next one. Write down. Always let the base with the smaller power be equals to the A. Okay. 2 bracket 3 power x. We don't let first minus, because as long as the power got something like that, right, you must split. Okay. So Sarah, who should be A? Which one have which? Yeah, this. Yes. So if this one is A, right? You see, you all must know that 3 power x, right, is equals to 3 to the power of x over 2 bracket square. They are equal. Are they equal? This one times together become x, right? Right. Yeah. So you see, so which means that this one is Raiden. What do you think this is? If this guy is A, what is 3 power x equals to? If 3 power x over 2 is A, then I told you here that 3 power x is equals to this one square. This one is equals to A, right? So what is 3 power x equals to? 3 to with what? 3 to the power of x over 2. No. This whole thing is A. What is 3 to the power x equals to? Then 3 to the power x is equals to 3 to the power x over 2 bracket square, right? 3 to the power x over 2 is A, right? So this is equals to A. Yeah. Okay? Agree or not, Kevin? So 2A square minus 3A plus 1 equals 0. 2A, 1. A, 1 minus equals 0. Okay? A equals to half or A equals to 1. Okay? 3 to the power of x over 2 equals to half. Okay? This one, put use log, which is next time then you will learn. Okay? That's not the point. Okay, so the point is this. So if it's this, 3 to the power of x over 2 equals to 1. Janessa, 3 to the power of what will always be equals to 1?
0.
Yeah, x equals to 0. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Dah lah. Dah lah. Okay. Again, what must you settle first? Always settle the negative power. X power 3 over 2 minus. Can you see the negative power only belong to the x? So the x don't go down. The x don't go down. Only the, sorry, the 8 don't go down. Only the x goes down. Okay, the 8 cannot go down because the negative power only belongs to the. Okay. Once you see similar things, right? Can you see this one and this one? They are the same thing. 7 things. Can you see they are the same thing? They are the same thing, right? Once they are the same thing, what can you do? Janice, once they are the same thing, what can you do?
2x to the power of 3 over 2.
B. B. BA. Because you see, 1, 2, 3, three things always can form what? Quadratic, yeah. Okay, then you have A minus 8 over A equals 7. A square minus 7A minus 8 equals 0. Easy one, try to do it like that. You want negative 7 in the middle, it have to be minus 8A plus A. Okay, equals to. Okay, so which means x to the power of 3 over 2 is equals to 8. Okay, if x to the power of 3 over 2 is equals to 8, right? X is equals to 8 to the power of what? I like it that you all are thinking. If x to the power of 3 over 2 is equals to 8, right? Then x is equals to 8 to the power of what? How to remove the 3 over 2? I need to power both sides. So you see, if I have x squared equals to 4, right? We know that x equals to 2 or negative 2, right? Because we square root, right? How do we square root? Remember today you learned square root is power half, right? Yeah, I power half on both sides. Okay, so actually, okay, this one will just be the reciprocal, 2 over 3. Because if I power, can you see like that? 2 over 3, I remove the fraction, 2 over 3.